everybody, Fire Alarm Boy here, back with another system test video of the Simplisafe. The reason why I didn't upload in October was because of some issues that I had with this. I filmed it, I didn't really upload it that well, well actually I didn't upload it, I made a couple fails with it, making it, so yeah, so this is basically, that's my excuse. So, yeah, so we're going to be testing, let's see, we're going to be testing the upstairs motion sensor. I think I didn't test that in the last recording that I tested this thing in October, basically. We'll test the back door. We never tested that before. And just because I feel like it, we'll do the den door in my master bedroom, and we'll test the garage. If I didn't already say that, then we'll just test the front door. I don't know what I'm going to do here, because my brain is not really good. Okay, so we're going to be, let's just do first, we're going to do the away mode, but before that, I actually need to get some ear protections, because no matter what, that siren is pretty loud, so I'll be right back. I got my ear protection. Now, we're going to go ahead, arm the system in away mode, and test the motion detector. So we'll go ahead and wait for that. And if you're wondering why all of this is over here, it's because, well, we moved everything for pictures. There's the camera. It's positioned wrong. Base station's right next to it. It looks kind of cool. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs.
Simplisafe on. Away.
Okay. Sounds in a way. There we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and silence that now. Okay. I didn't change the pin again, I'm so stupid. Alright, hold on. Okay, I'm back. My mom called me asking me if I called the company, and I did. Yeah, and I told them to put the system on test. Alright, next perimeter sensor is the back door. And I'm too lazy to clear the alarm memory, so... By the way, the blinds are back on the door. You probably didn't see this before.
Simplisafe on. Home.
Actually, it's a entry zone, excuse me. Alright, let's go ahead and wait for that to go do its thing. There we go.
Alarm off.
Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and test this door and hopefully it's open. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut that. It was open a crack. Okay. So let's just wait for that thing to do its thing. I will be testing this soon so that you guys can see it. It's really loud because of that, so yeah. Verification. Check again. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and wait for that thing to do its thing. Alright, one more. So I think I already tested the upstairs motion sensor, the back door, the garage door, and now for the den door, which is the last one. Alright. I was grabbing on my ear protection. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Door's not the best. Anyway.
Alarm off.
Somebody rang my doorbell. Now, it may look like that the base station is blinking 1,000 times. I don't know why it does this, but it is not, because for some reason my phone does that anyway. So that is it. So I'll just do an extra one. What the heck? You can hear the things clicking in there.
Alarm off.
Okay, we'll go ahead and clear all these alarms. Sorry, I didn't mean to spam it. Alright, anyway, so that is it. This camera should shut in a minute, so give it a minute to do that. Alright, thanks for watching. And for people who didn't know, on October 14th I did test those. And I will be testing them again in a different video, so you'll find that out soon. Alright, later.